Hello everyone. Today we have a chainsaw. It's not running very well on high speed. It bogs down. So I thought maybe I should film it and see if we can make it run a little bit better. And then I saw on the carburetor you have to have a special tool, kind of a spline tool, and of course I don't have one. So I thought about maybe I can get something else on there, and yeah, I think we can do it. I can just start it up now, and you can hear how it sounds before I try to fix it. Doesn't respond very well on the high speed, so I got these kind of wire connections. They're all different sizes. Just put the pliers on them, and you have two screws in this hole. The left is for low speed and the right screw is for high speed. So the high speed on the right, we're gonna screw that screw out, so anti-clockwise. See if I can put the camera a little bit better. Sorry about that. This is not going to be easy to film. Hang on, I'm gonna cut this out. Here you can see the two screws. And on the rightest one, it's gonna go out. I don't think you can see it when I'm doing it, but put this one in, press it down, and anti-clockwise. You see that it's a mark on it. It was pointing down here, and now it points upwards. Sorry for the bad video. Yeah, so I put the cover back on and just took it off to check the air filter before. It was clean, so That's why I made the adjustment on the high speed. So let's start it up and see if it's any better. Yeah, 2 thumbs up. Hope it helps someone. I can't say that I'm an expert on small engines, but it seemed to work. If you like it, please put a thumb up. If you want to see more videos, please subscribe to the channel. Gonna have lots of more things to show you. Alright, be safe. See ya.